So it's not often that you meet world champions in anything. We met world champion.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's beautiful, cloudy Thursday morning in July.
It's 58 degrees, and we're so lucky because like 40, 50 miles east is wicked hot.
Yeah,
So,
but we're not, you know.
You
gotta balance it.
Yeah, you gotta balance it. You gotta take what you get weather-wise. So we're leaving Long Beach, Washington, which 2 weeks. This is the first time we've done 2 weeks in a long time.
In a whiles, yeah.
Whiles.
Whiles.
We loved the area so much, we're actually just gonna go like 40 miles up the coast to Oceana.
Oceana 1,000 Trails. At least that's how we think it's pronounced. Maybe it's Oceana, but I say Oceana. Sounds
Oceana?
fancier.
Is there no I? Oceana?
No, it's just Oceana.
Okay, anyway, that's where we're going. Didn't we just watched somebody's video about this like exact thing, right?
Yeah.
What did we just do?
Well, we left a day early and arrived a day early. Not sure how that happened.
We pulled up at the Oceana, and the guy's like, "I don't have a reservation for you." I said, "Well, we couldn't even check in online. It wasn't working." And then so I pulled up the reservation on my phone. I was like, "Today's the 16th or the 15th. We're not supposed to be until the 16th." So, well, I guess we get an extra day here. He said they have room, but we're not getting a full hookup because only the front. So the full hookups are these ones right here.
That's okay, looking at it.
Yeah, it's tight. It's a clean looking little park though. So we're gonna be over there.
Does it go down? There's like two down there.
There's
two sections.
Yeah, there's this one and then another one. It's almost embarrassing, but luckily they have a spot for us. So we came in, and we're gonna loop around. So we have one section here, and then this section, which is actually closer to the beach. We're really trying to figure this one out. So we've got this in the back, this here, and we've got, you can tell where everybody parks so that it's kind of a dip right there. And then making sure that we don't, because his Corbin slide is actually, this thing comes out really farther than the rest of them. It's over, I think it comes out over 3 feet. These are things you need to think about before you detach, is when I open up that slide, where's the slide gonna go? So we do have it's basically a yardstick, but it's just a piece of wood that we can pull out and we know how far it goes. This one we don't need to because we're just gonna put it in between. But those are like easy tools to have just to help you get set up.
Tiny bit more.
So we're getting ready to put Corbin's slide out. Another thing that we do is when we're in a tight spot, we always make sure that one of us is out here watching. And sometimes yelling doesn't work because you can't hear them. But if you pound on a door or pound on a wall, they're going to hear it. So, okay, Susanna. She's not ready yet. Like a glove. All right, the other thing that we highly recommend is after you auto level it and then you put your slides out, check your auto level again just to make sure, because sometimes when you put those slides out you shift the weight. So we go back, and so we shifted just a hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at that. And if you have one of the tripods for your pin, you want to do that auto level check before you put the pin on. So the Oceana campground, just like the one in Long Beach, has a path that goes out to the ocean. This one's a little bit more narrow and is what, a quarter mile long? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, maybe a little bit less. We found it.
That guy's, oh, that's a spider.
I'm gonna keep my shoes on. So
Yeah, it's weird because again, we're just like 30 some odd miles up the beach, the ocean, and it's different. I like, it's nice. Bald eagle just enjoying his meal on the beach. Did you get rid of those seagulls?
No.
No, they see the chairs and
what do you think you're doing?
He's all.
this is by far the best weather. This is, I mean, almost 3 weeks now.
Yeah, this is the best day.
Yeah.
So.
Woke up this morning, stepped outside the trailer, and just went,
It's warm.
it's warm. I mean, so this, it's only supposed to be 63, but the real feel is 71, and I like the real feel. I don't know what the difference is, but just use the right thermometer, I guess. So yeah, we have clear skies. The boys have
Frisbee.
Frisbee. I got to fly Tom today, which was exciting. Tom's our drone, Peeping Tom. And yeah, just a nice day to relax. So we only get Matt maybe like 6 to 8 weeks out of the year, depending on Christmas time and stuff like that. But Corbin looks up to, I mean, Matt is his hero. And so for us to be able to have Matt and for them to be able to spend time like this together is, it's very, very, I don't want to say it, well, it's heartwarming. I mean, you just see them, how they act together, and he's really, Matt is an amazing big brother. Okay, it looks like you got yourself in a bit of a pickle. Can you get out? Grab my hand,
No,
grab my hand if you want to live.
Makes it so that
Take my hand, get to the chopper. Is it? It's there's that you know, that copyright stuff. So check out these epic running scenes with Rocky music. You ready? Ba-da-da-da-da-da, ba-da-da-da-da-da, dun-dun, dun-dun, dun-dun-dun-dun, ba-da-da.
what's happening here?
Banana. So this couple came out, parked next to us, and we didn't think it was windy enough to fly Corbin's kite. They each pull a kite out, and they're doing synchronized kite flying. I didn't even know this was, a thing. And it's amazing. Look at how they, yeah, see how they get the, yep,
They're attached.
yeah.
They have competitions for synchronized kite flying.
They do.
Yes. Maybe they're practicing.
So the folks that were back behind us doing their trick kites, they do like choreographed maneuvers and stuff. They used to be in competitions. Came over, gave us some lessons. He showed Corbin, you know, how to take off, and then he actually gave, it's a stick with a golf ball in the end, so you could put your handles through that, stick that in the ground, so you can go set up the kite and take off on your own. So just travel in general, one of the best things that we love about it is the people that you meet. You know, all we did, we clapped for their performance, and then, you know, said, hey, we thought maybe there wasn't enough wind. He said, well, put it up, see what happens. I'll give you some pointers. I think it looks good, buddy.
What you do is now you have to step back a couple of steps really fast.
I may have caused a mess. So we met Jerry
and Marcia Cannon.
So it's not often that you meet world champions in anything. We met world champion kite flyers, which is so cool. They've flown in France a couple times at world championships, and
so this isn't just like, you know, hey, here's my kite. No, this is stunt flying to ballet music, synchronized. So they're flying their kites together, and their kites are like this and doing a dance, you know, together. Very cool.
Yeah, they did it for years, and they practiced with 10 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, all their days off from work. So it's not like just because it's a kite you don't have to practice. I mean, they've practiced their butts off. But really, really amazing story, especially with Jerry. He had a medical scare. I'm not going to get into it too much, but to hear his story and was really, really, I think it helps you really appreciate your life and what you've got, even if life gives you
a mess,
right?
And you're trying to undo it, and it's like, I don't see how it's going to undo itself.
Hold on, because I think I see a light at the end of the tunnel there. Anyway, so again, it was a great day at the beach and to meet those folks. So Jerry and Marcia, if you're watching, hello. Thank you again for helping us out with our kites. I wish that you would help me understand how to roll these things up, but you can't win them all. I hope you have safe travels. Now I'm gonna go spend the next hour. Suzanne's gonna cook dinner. I think she's gonna ditch me with this.
Yeah, well, I don't understand what's happening. What had happened was
I thought about a new way of doing something.
I think you thought wrong.
And then I thought wrong.
Thank you for watching. We'd love to share our journey with you, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and hit the like button.